Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best brine bags is probably one of the most essential tools for any home cook looking to elevate their turkey game, ensuring a moist, flavorful, and perfectly cooked bird every single time, especially during the holidays when a spectacular centerpiece is a must. These specialized bags are designed to hold your turkey securely while it soaks in a brining solution, allowing the meat to absorb moisture and seasonings deep into the fibers, resulting in a juicier and more tender outcome than traditional methods, making them a game changer for Thanksgiving, Christmas, or any occasion where you want your turkey to truly shine and impress your guests with its unparalleled taste and texture. Number 5. Turkey Brining Bag Set of 2. Achieve a moist and flavorful turkey with our premium brining bags. This set ensures your holiday centerpiece is perfectly seasoned and tender. Don't worry about size limitations. These bags are extra large, easily accommodating turkeys up to 38 pounds for your biggest gatherings. Crafted for durability, our bags feature a heavy-duty construction with a gusseted bottom and double-track zippers. This design guarantees no leaks, keeping your refrigerator clean. Brining your turkey has never been easier. Simply place your bird inside, add your brine solution, and let it work its magic. This set includes 2 generously sized bags, offering great value and convenience. You'll have everything you need for multiple roasts or larger birds. Elevate your cooking and impress your guests with a perfectly brined turkey. It's the secret to a truly memorable meal. What we like? This option offers exceptional capacity for very large birds. If you're cooking for a huge crowd or have a particularly massive turkey, its generous size and robust build are ideal. It's designed to prevent any messy leaks, ensuring a clean brining process. What people say? It is large enough for my 22 pounds turkey and all the brining ingredients. It is durable and doesn't break when putting the turkey into the bag. There is a double zip closure that prevents leaking. I have never had it leak. The size fit my 20-pound turkeys and could have fit larger. The bag is very durable for the several gallons of brine we poured in. Number 4. Fire and Flavor Turkey Perfect Herb Brine Kit. Achieve your best-tasting turkey with our 5-step brining kit. It ensures excellent flavor, keeping your bird moist and tender. Enjoy the classic combination of herbs and spices that will surely please any crowd. Maximize flavor with minimal fuss. This kit includes everything you need for the perfect bird, except the turkey itself. You'll get the brine mix, a large brining bag, and instructions. Our kit is designed for turkeys up to 25 pounds. It's perfect for roasting, grilling, smoking, or frying. We are passionate about providing naturally delicious and convenient cooking solutions. We help you create mouth-watering results from fire to flavor. Our brine mix is gluten-free, non-GMO, and kosher. You can feel good about the ingredients you're using. What we like? For those who want a classic, delicious flavor with minimal effort, this kit is a fantastic choice. If you appreciate the convenience of having everything you need in one box and enjoy traditional herb-infused turkey, this is perfect for you. It accommodates various cooking styles, making it very adaptable. What people say? The brine bags are large and sturdy, easily accommodating a large turkey. These bags are a great size and very durable, making the brining process simple and mess-free. Number 3. San Francisco Salt Company Organic Turkey Brine Kit. Introducing the San Francisco Salt Company Organic Turkey Brine Kit. It's a delicious way to ensure your turkey is moist and flavorful every time. This kit features a 13-ounce blend of organic garlic and rosemary. The savory herbs perfectly complement the natural taste of turkey. You can trust the quality of the seasoning. It's certified organic and kosher, providing a pure and natural flavor enhancement. We've included a BPA-free brine bag for your convenience. It ensures safe and easy brining for your poultry. Whether you're smoking, roasting, or frying, this brine is ideal. It guarantees a succulent and delicious result for your whole turkey. Achieve perfectly brined turkey with minimal effort. This kit makes it simple to impress your guests with a tender and juicy bird. What we like? If you prioritize organic and kosher ingredients, this kit is the one to consider. Its garlic and rosemary blend offers a sophisticated flavor profile. It's a great option if you're looking for a high-quality, certified organic seasoning solution for your turkey, whether roasted, smoked, or fried. What people say. The brine bags are large and sturdy, fitting even a large turkey with room to spare. Easy to use and clean, the bags kept the turkey moist and flavorful during the brining process. The material is thick and durable, preventing any leaks or tears. Number 2. Turkey Brine Bag Set, 10-pack. These bags are designed to fit 5-gallon buckets and various containers, making them perfect for brining and marinating all your favorite meats. Crafted from extra thick, food-grade plastic with a strong bottom seal, they can hold over 30 pounds without any leaks or tears. Your food's safety is paramount. These bags are made from high-quality, non-toxic material that is completely BPA-free. Keep your bucket sparkling clean and say goodbye to scrubbing. Just dispose of the liner after use for a truly hassle-free experience. Seal in the freshness of your meats, vegetables, and fruits. These liners help prevent spills and contamination, extending shelf life. What we like. This is the ultimate choice for bulk brining or for those who frequently prepare large quantities of marinated meats. If you need a reliable, heavy-duty liner for 5-gallon buckets and want a mess-free cleanup, this set of 10 is incredibly practical. Its thickness ensures no leaks, making it perfect for large-scale food prep. What people say. This set of 10 heavy-duty, BPA-free bags, made from low-density polyethylene, is designed to fit 5-gallon buckets or work standalone, easily accommodating turkeys up to 30 pounds. The 4 mil thickness ensured no leaks or tears, even after 24 hours of soaking. The bag was very thick and great quality. Did not leak at all. Number 1. Aromasong 100% Natural Turkey Brine. Discover the secret to a perfectly seasoned turkey. Our 100% natural brine, infused with herbs de Provence, guarantees a delicious experience. Achieve moist and flavorful results whether you prefer wet or dry brining. This 2LB package is designed for convenience and exceptional taste. Elevate your whole, smoked, oven-roasted, or fried turkey. It's the ideal seasoning for any cooking method you choose. Experience the aromatic blend of herbs de Provence. This seasoning adds a touch of authentic French countryside to your holiday bird. We pride ourselves on quality. Our turkey brine is proudly made in the USA, ensuring the finest ingredients for your culinary creations. What we like. This option is perfect for those who want a generous amount of 100% natural seasoning for their brining needs. If you enjoy the herbs de Provence flavor profile and are looking for a substantial quantity for multiple uses or large birds, this product delivers. Its commitment to natural ingredients and domestic production makes it a trustworthy choice. What people say. The brine bags are large enough to fit a whole turkey. These bags are very durable and did not leak during the brining process. The bags are easy to use and cleanup is a breeze. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.